This is Miss Anam, back as promised. In the last video, we learned about primary and secondary colors. Blue, yellow, and red. These are the primary colors. When we mix together two of them, we get a new color. That's secondary. For example, if we mix together blue and yellow, we are going to achieve a new hue. That's green. Similarly, if we mix together blue with red, we will achieve a new hue. That's purple. Once again, if we mix red and yellow, we are going to get a new color. That's orange. So we learn that orange, purple, and green are secondary colors. Today, I will show you how toddlers and even preschoolers can unleash the magic of colors through a visual activity. This will strengthen visual perception in curious little minds. They begin to notice subtle differences in shades, hues, and tones, sharpening their observation skills and attention to details. For this activity, we need 3 pieces of tissue folded in half, 1, 2, and 3 primary colors and secondary colors. We might be needing a tray or a palette and some water. So let's start the activity. First, we are going to make the bonds. 2 circles here, 1 circle here. We are going to do these colors. Let's start with the first one. Red. It is mixed with blue and makes purple. We are going to turn it over and put the purple ink on the next side. Similarly, we are going to do with the next one. Red and yellow. When are mixed together, we get orange. And orange, we are going to put the ink on the next side. In the same way, we are going to create the third one. One circle, the other circle, and the third circle. Join them all. We have to create green. So we are going to put yellow ink here, blue ink here, and we are going to turn it over and put the green ink here. So now we have all 3 of them like this. Now the magic part. For the magic,